Guys, so we are in the office now. I'm not going to show you the full office. I want to show you guys the office when it is completely finished, but I am unpacking, and I'm gonna set this tripod up. You gotta make sure you have your iced cappuccino, but I'm gonna set this tripod up. I'm planning on going live, actually, a little pop-up live that I'm about to do, and probably set up the streaming room. I don't have everything here yet that I need, but yeah. So we're gonna actually be unpacking and unboxing something that we sell on hustlertaught.me.com. It is our Ustream ring light. So I'm going to start unboxing it now. That's about right there, the hustle. You feel me? All right. So here is the box, the Ustream box. It got dirty during packing and all of that, but here is how it comes. Okay, here your ring light, then you have your tripod. Most of these things that these ring lights that I got from distributors didn't come with a tripod, so I'm really excited that this one came with a tripod. I have a few tripods just in case, but I'm just glad that it came with one. This right here is going to be the ring light, and as you see, like the little signage, it comes with the tape. So the reason I'm showing you guys all of this is because this is the type of stuff you want to sell on Amazon, you want to sell on eBay, okay? Like ring lights, these are things that everybody can use and everybody can make money off of, okay? So my other tripod is being used right now, so I'm holding this with my phone. All right, so we open this thing up right here. Funny thing is, I already have one just like it, but it didn't come with a tripod. All right, so like automatically I can tell you, unpacking and unboxing this feels good. It has the plastic on the remote. I like it. And guys, I only got this wholesale. I think I brought 50 units, $20 each. I'm going to resell, and I have been reselling on Mercari and eBay this package right here for $50. So that's a good profit. How the heck I open this thing? No drop shipping, all in my warehouse. I do have a storage unit, and I keep all my products in. When I can't put it in my store, of course. But like even store, you never want to keep all of your products in the store. What happens if somebody robs the store, you know? Oh my gosh. One hand, B. Hold on. We got it out. What the heck? Yo, this looks like a robot. I ain't never seen one with 3 though. Wow. Okay. Plastic feels good. Again, y'all gonna hear me talk about the smallest things, because the smallest things matter when it comes to reselling, okay? Okay. I like this. Okay, and it's sturdy as heck. All right, let me set this up. All right. Can't see me, so we're gonna... What the heck? I thought this thing was gonna go up more. What the heck? This is the ring light right here, y'all. Okay, so I'll tell y'all straight up, because y'all know I keep it a stack. I keep it on it. Y'all, this ring light is way smaller than I anticipated. But I like that it has a lot of functions as the up, down. You can change a bunch of different modes. It looks okay as far as mode-wise, but function-wise, we got to see how this works. See, like I didn't tighten anything really. So you see the ball moving around, but how the heck I'm gonna put oh, maybe it's because the phone goes like this and then, oh, okay. Let me test this out. Fusion part I'm having is, I have a remote, but I also have this. I guess it's wireless and it works with the remote, I guess. All right, so we turned it on, very bright, okay. I ain't even gonna cap, and it's getting brighter. And I can take it down, ski. Okay. I can take it down, take it up. Okay. And then, okay, we can change the modes. Okay. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That's the RG mode, RGB mode. Oh, oh, that's tough. I can use this when I'm streaming. I like this. Okay, okay. Not gonna lie, a lot of ring lights that I do buy wholesale don't have that feature. So like having this feature right here that does this and changes all the colors, I like that. Like I really do like this ring light. Like I'm not lying. If I brought a ring light from a distributor and I didn't like it, I'll just tell you to be honest. But I do really like this one. Now let's see how it looks when I put it on the phone. So it doesn't fit phones with cases, I see, or not my phone with a case, but it may fit another phone. But I mean, you could utilize it, I guess, and move this a lot more. So I mean, it's pretty cool, like not having to actually have a camera mount behind the tripod. So I do like that. It has my check. I think that this is an awesome product, and you guys can get this right now, hustlertoldme.com. You can get this for wholesale too. Guys, I'm telling you, let's start making this money, man. Let's get back in grind mode. It is the summertime, and it's time to make this bread inside and flourish. We got this. I'll show y'all the remote. It all worked. It worked. But when I hit these, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, snap. Okay. Okay. Oh. I like that. All right, cool. What's up, y'all? So it is probably the next day, honestly. I got these in from Temu, and I got a rug as well that I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. But guys, I feel so stupid. I thought that I was getting some frames with some motivational stuff and just stuff that I wanted. I wanted to put motivational pictures up, right? So I ordered from Temu because I'm like, let me see what Temu has to give me, basically, since I guess when you open the app, they just flat out give you discounts. They got me with an impulse buy, basically, right? So I'm like, all right, but I'm getting 20% off, or I don't know, 50% off. Cool, right? So I go to buy this, and they come in rolls like this, unframed. Now you may be saying, well, you should have paid attention. I agree. You know what I mean? I should have definitely paid attention. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm about to actually see what exactly this is. So I'm about to try and open this. They packaged it well. The rug or mat you'd say I got, it's not too bad. I don't know what my dog is doing right now, but it's not too bad. It's definitely not what I expected, but I should have expected it, because you got to think about it. It's Temu, and I know a lot of people are high on Temu. That's why I wanted to try it, but nah. All right, so this is what I got, right? So let this go, okay? And it's a frame that's needed for it that I'm gonna get today. So I'm gonna get today, and I'm gonna try to record it, because again, like, I want to get this stuff up. This is probably gonna go like in a bathroom or something, but yeah, all motivational stuff around, like not even motivational stuff, but just pictures that actually have some type of meaning that I can resonate with, you know? That's like my main focus right now when it comes to like designing, which I ain't never designed my own place before, so it's a bit different. But things are looking up. I have not been recording throughout the days as much as I wanted to, so this is gonna be like a week vlog, because I've been really running rampant. But now I'm at the point to where things are slowing down, and now I'm starting to realize like my piece is being interrupted. So I'll make a whole video on that. But I've been really trying to get this place together just so I can be able to work more efficiently. Work more efficiently, because I do know and see, like, as an entrepreneur, like me, personally, I get very, I wouldn't even say stressed, but like I need a clean space for the stuff that I go through. But I'm fine with it, you know? Okay, so these are multiple. So this is gonna say hustle. So it's gonna say hustle all together. So it's multiple posters right here. So I'm gonna try and show y'all real quick. So this is one part, right? And then this is another part. So it's like hustle, you feel me? Hustle. So I like that. I like this. The material is pretty good though. The material is pretty good. So hustle for your future, that's what it says. Hustle for your future. So we're gonna get some frames for that. I think this is gonna be cool. I do. I think this one is gonna be cool. This one, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I have an idea, but then I got another idea which ruined that idea. I wanted to put the hustle in front of my, like above my bed. So every day I look, I'm like, yo, hustle for your future, you feel me? Every day you wake up, it's time to get to that money. But I don't know, cause I got so many ideas that I want to do. This wall right here, it's gonna be a grass wall. So I'm gonna start working on that too. And it's just, I wanna get my aesthetics and stuff together so I can make more content for you guys. So this is the hustle poster. This is the let ish go poster. Go poster, and then what's this? This got scotch tape on it. This has 2. So I'm not gonna take all the tape off there. But this is, oh, so I got like different ones like grind, verb, to perform repetitive tasks over and over in order to, so basically different verbiage that is needed. So it's 3 of them. So we have grind, we have, you'll see it when I put it up, but I don't want to take it out because this one here seems to be high quality, and I like that. But you'll see when we put the frames in later in the video. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with right now as well. It's all stuff from like moving, like everybody that helped me move, all that stuff. The microwave can't even fit over here, which I didn't realize. So I gotta get a whole different thing to sit right there for the microwave because this table isn't for that. Then I had to use this table just to prop this up so he doesn't mess my TV up. So I'm working on that. I gotta get that. And then something right here too. But I'm thinking about putting the grass wall either right there or right here. And it's gonna have a neon light, basically. So we doing with the downstairs. But again, I'm trying to get prepared to be able to just make the content. I want to be able to get this stuff done so I could just hop into my content, just hop into my work, stay focused. So hopefully that can get done ASAP, y'all. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to actually start work. I got a few things to do. I got to update the price list and get the day started. So let's go. Boy, hustle, like, yo, let's lock in. Oh, man. What? Here's my mat, my little mat that I'm gonna put in my room. Right now, I literally just have my king size bed. Um, I'm thinking about bringing my dog up here, but I'm not sure, and I'm not about to have no issues. You feel me? None at all. So I got these, but so far he has had no problems. Right here, this is the Let That Shit Go poster. And yeah, I found the frame. I can't find a frame for any of the other ones, which I'm having an issue with. That's my office. I'll show you guys that later. Thing is to move this TV over on this wall. But y'all, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.